भाषा
हॅलो हॅलो सर.
हाँ हेलो सर.
सर गेस्ट कोण आहेत म्हणलं गेस्ट?
हाँ दुवे सर, जयप्रकाश दुवे सर.
हॅलो.
ओके 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 सर.
हाँ दुवे सरला होस्ट कर.
सर आवाज येते का माझा?
हो येतोय सर, येतो.
एक मिनिट आता.
हो येतोय.
येत आहे सर, येत आहे.
हा सर, क्लिअर आहे का सर आवाज?
हो हो सर.
ओके सर, प्रेझेंट तुम्ही घेताय का कुणी?
सर ऑटोमॅटिक आहे, झूम वरती आपल्या ऑटोमॅटिक रेकॉर्ड होती.
प्रेझेंट मेंटेन होती ना?
हो हो होते सर, होते.
ओके सर, ओके ओके सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल यू.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Hope you listen me clearly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clearly audible, sir.
About 23
हाँ हेलो सर.
students are present here. And
हेलो दुवे सर.
yes sir.
हाँ, so dear participants, today we have with Dr. Duve sir, who is assistant professor in computer science at ENS Science College Nanded, and he has 15 years of teaching experience, and he is very well-known teacher in our college, and he has very student friendly, and his area of research, actually he is very expert in computer, and I think you may has guidance of him very well for solving your PhD coursework papers. So I welcome Dr. Duve sir on behalf of all the participants. Duve sir, in our coursework there are 46 participants there, and one participant is from abroad, that is international participant is there. So I welcome Dr. Duve sir. I think I request Dr. Ganesh, please
Sure.
make host Duve sir.
सर होस्ट बनवतो, पण ते इंजिनियर आले नाहीत ना, त्यांना होस्ट बनवून सरला होस्ट बनवून टाकतो.
आणखी कोणीतरी असेल त्यांना बनवून टाकलं को होस्ट.
कोणाला बनवायचं सांगा तुम्ही, कारण मी आहे लोकल मध्ये आहे बघा.
ओके.
हा त्याच्यामुळे म्हणालो पटकन मला सांगा, म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम होणार नाही.
ओके ओके. एकूण जणांना आहे बा, राधिकाला बनव, मितांशीला बनव.
ठीक आहे ओके.
मितांशी आणि राधिका को होस्ट बनवून टाका, एक दोन जणांना. आणि मला पण को होस्ट बनवलं तर मी लेफ्ट जरी झालो तर पुन्हा जॉईन झालो तर को होस्ट पाहिजे मी.
सर
ओके सर, एक मिनिट फक्त तो. ओके. हा दुवे सर.
सर करा चालू सर.
यू आर नो होस्ट.
Okay sir. Okay. Now I can share my screen also. No?
Okay sir.
Okay. Thank you sir. So may I start now sir?
Yes, you may sir, proceed.
Okay, thank you sir. So good afternoon to all you. I hope you listen me clearly. Am I audible to all you?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes sir.
So You are most welcome here. You are the new researchers, and one of the most important part of our research is to presentation of thesis and writing of thesis. Before presentation, we have to write the thesis. Is it? So for that point of view, today, as per our syllabus, I am here to introduce you the word processing, that is Microsoft Word, in your second paper. If you look at the syllabus, I will share my screens in short. So I think this is our syllabi. I hope you can see. And most of the students, researchers may have. Yes. I can't listen you clearly. Sorry. Hello. I hope you can see my screen here. घाटोळ सर, आवाज येतो का माझा?
Sir, it's clearly visible and audible also, sir. You can proceed.
Okay, thank you, sir. Because your voice is disturbed, so thank you. So this is our syllabus.
Hello, sir.
This is paper number 2, computer applications. Title is computer application section A, which is of credit 3. Out of that, 2 credits, that is equal to 50 marks, and 1 credit which will be conducted by your research guide. If you look at the syllabus, particularly I am here to discuss with you the MS Word, which will include saving of document as a files, then arranging the files in folder, print formatting, then just a minute, insert, page layout, references, that is citations and bibliography, review, comment, tracking, compare, and converting to PDF. All of these, if you look at this syllabus, we think this is a very less syllabus. But when we study in detail, we find that it is sufficient for us to go through the thesis writing process, and which one is most important for us. Okay, now I have some questions. What kind of questions should be there in exam for 50 marks, which is of 2 hours? So I have some questions. Hope you can note such examples of these questions. Yes, this is a computer application paper. What kind of questions should be there in the exam? This is the previous year exam questions. The first one is short notes, paragraph formatting in MS Word. This one. Okay, such questions should be there. I am just speaking about related to the word processing. Got it? Then this one, how one can insert picture in the document file in MS Word. This one. Then how to create table of content. Table of content, which one is also very important and also helpful for us to save our time while writing our thesis. Okay. Then such questions should be there. One more paper I have, question paper. paragraph formatting, save and save as. Most of the researchers are already well familiar with all these activities in MS Word. Is it? So here we have to practice and learn how to write the answers, and also we have to get the knowledge of all these activities which are important for us in the thesis writing. Got it? One more question. Use of MS Word for research. This is very general question. Okay, when we complete this course, you will understand the answer of this question. Okay, all lectures are very important to understand this question. Okay, so I request all of you to attend all my lectures, and hope you are also familiar with this exam. What kind of questions should be there in exam? Now I come to the main point. Now, what is word processing and why it is important for us? Word processing. Now, as per my knowledge, researchers are using various softwares to write their thesis. Out of that, this MS Word is very important and very commonly used software to write the thesis. Is it? Okay. So, and as per our syllabus, it is also very important for us to study it. In the point of view of exam, this one is very important. Now, after completion of exam, once you complete the formalities, you can use any other software, but as this software is included in your syllabus, we are mandatory to learn and discuss this. Okay, and I think most of the researchers are well familiar with Office suite. Is it? MS Office is very simple, and I think most of the students or researchers know about it. Is it? Am I right? Okay. So now I come across the notes which I have created for you, which I have devised for you. So if you look at the screen, you find that I have notes of Microsoft Word 2007, but now you have the most advanced versions of Microsoft Word. So no matter, because there is no any version hello. It is not compulsory to discuss a particular version. There is no intimation in syllabus about which version is to be discussed. So I think Office 2007, in which Microsoft Word 2007 is best for us to learn. Okay. So, and still now I have Office 30. Office 10 is there with me, and I am teaching you, or I am discussing with you Office 2007, Word 2007. Out of that, Word 2007. Most of you know that this is the part of Office, and Office is made up from various software which is called a Microsoft Office suite. Is it? It is called a Microsoft Office suite. Why it is called an Office suite? Because it is a bundle of, or it is a bunch of softwares like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook Express, etc. and MS Access, etc. All such softwares are included into the one software, that is Microsoft Office. And these all softwares are useful in Office. That's why it is called as Office suite or Microsoft Office. Out of that, we are going to discuss MS Word, as I have told you. So Microsoft Word 2007 has a completely redesigned user interface. User interface means from where we can interact with the Office, Microsoft Word, and the standard menus along the top have been removed and replaced with series of toolbars. That is the ribbon. In the last versions, in the previous versions, you can see the standard menus. Now that menus are replaced with ribbon. Where is the ribbon? So this one is the ribbon. Total this. I hope you see. So we must get familiar with all these points in MS Word. So this is the ribbon which we have to remember and understand. आपल्याला ही समजून घ्यावी लागेल आणि ही पाठ सुद्धा करावी लागेल कदाचित. So if you look at this ribbon home tab, it contains some tabs. How many tabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tabs are there. Which are those tabs? Home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, references, mailings, review, and view. Such tabs are there on this ribbon. This is a ribbon which contains tab, and all such tabs are containing group of options. Suppose we consider the home tab here, which is active one, in which we find that graph, style, and editing. Such group of options are there, which are helpful to design our document. Which is helpful to develop our thesis, to write our thesis. And also I think I was disconnected. It was the disturbance of internet. Ghatul sir. Hello.
हा सर, येत आहे आवाज.
मला होस्ट केलं तर बरं राहील.
गणेश सर नाहीत वाटत.
डिस्कनेक्ट झाल्यामुळे तसा प्रॉब्लेम झाला. मला स्क्रीन शेअर करायची.
फोन करू का सरांना?
प्लीज. कोण बोलतो?
मी पवार बोलतोय sir.
Please. So I hope you listen me till the screens you see. I am discussing about word processing. Are you ऐकू येते माझा आवाज सर्वांना? Can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. Till I get
Yes, sir.
connected with the
You can
screen,
listen.
I explain what is word processing without wasting our time. So what is word processing? So generally what happens, a tool which is used to create the documents and the most useful and
Sir,
useful
do you, sir? Sir, तुम्ही host आहात, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bhato, sir, thank you. So it is the MS Word, and where once we get familiar with the Word, we create our documents. I will explain you how to create the file or Word file or Word document later on. We type or we write our thesis in it, and we may need to make that document is impressive one and suitable and easy to read. This is our responsibility to represent our document in well format, good format. What is that good format, well format? That means heading should be have some particular font size, then font type, colors. Then we have to also insert our graphs or images into our document to represent our research knowledge, research points. Okay, so that is what word processing means, to make some words bold one, italic one, then creating your table of contents, inserting tables. All these things, all these activities comes under the word processing. So doing this one is what word processing. Okay, got it? Anyone? Anyone, any question about word processing? What is word processing? Hello? Hello? I hope you understand what is word processing. So I can't listen you. Anyone?
Hello,
Pawar
sir.
sir? Huh.
Sir, we are listening you.
Word processing referred to act of using computer to create, editing, save and print.
So you have to explain what is editing. What are you doing under editing? So cut, copy, paste, then
Yes.
then increasing the size of font, decreasing, underline, then everything which makes your document representable. That is called word processing. Okay. So the main thing which is present in MS Word is Home tab. And if you look at the just, I would like to explain. How to open a Word document. Everyone already knows, but as a formality, I have to explain how to start. Go to your start button, that is this one. If you look at my cursor, this one is the cursor pointer. which I move towards the bottom corner, left bottom corner, where is the window option, start button, where I clicked here, and just look at here, this one. I have Microsoft Word 2010. Once you click on it, it will open Microsoft Word. Got it, everyone? How to open? Maybe asked in exam. You have to explain such steps in exam. That's why I have explaining this one. It is very simple to do, but how to answer this question, how to open, how to create a Word document in MS Word. That's why it is very important. What I have done, all these steps you have to explain there in exam. That's why it is important. Okay, so now I have opened a MS Word here. And can I move it? Yes. Look at here. This is a ribbon. This is a ribbon which contains tabs. This file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, references, mailings, review, view, etc. And every tab contains a group of options. Group of options. The file tab contains document view group. This is a document view group, which contains print layout, full screen, reading, web layout, outline, draft, etc. We'll go through all of these in detail later on. Now, today we will discuss about the home screen of MS Word. Today we will discuss about the home screen of MS Word. Okay. This area is title bar. This is called what? Title bar. Listen me clearly, clear cutter. Listen me clearly, because maybe asked, explain the home screen of MS Word. Such question should be there in the exam. Explain home screen of MS Word. Maybe asked. Can be asked in exam. Okay. So you have to explain from top to the bottom all the component present on this screen, all the objects or all the options or component which are present on this screen. You have to explain one by one in the answer of the question of explain home screen of MS Word. So this one is what? Title bar, which contains the name of file or document here. Still, I have not given any name to this document. That's why it is displaying document 1 as a name of file document. If you look at the right side, you will see 3 options, 3 buttons. This one is a minimize, this one is a restore or resize, and this is a close. What is the effect of resize? It will be smaller one. Once again I click on it, it will be maximum. It will be maximum button. This is minimize. Once when I click on minimize, it will be minimized and stored at the your taskbar at this, at the bottom, which is a taskbar of your computer system, like this. Got it? Quick tool buttons. These are save, undo, redo, and some options are there also. New, new file, new document, save. Whatever the changes you make into the current document, that are to be saved. And the easiest way to save is just click on this floppy, which is the option to save. Or you can also use Control and yes button. Control plus, yeah. Don't use plus, just press Control along with yes key. That's all. It will automatically save. Then this is a undo option. Whatever you have made changes, that will be undo. And it is redo, repeat, redo. And it shows the options. Okay, you can add the options at this quick toolbar from here. Got it? This is a quick toolbar. Then we come across what I have told about it. These are the tabs. How many tabs? 7 tabs are there. File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. Okay. Then each tab contains special and different options in the group. All these options are grouped under groups. This is a document view group in file. Then show group. Then zoom group of file. Then window group of file. And then macros of file. All we have to discuss in detail later on. Then home option, home tab, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 groups. The first one is clipboard group, having paste, format, copy, cut options. Then font group, having bold, italic, underline, subscript, super subscript, text effects, size, font size, font type, color, font color, etc. Then paragraph group with different options regarding alignment, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. This is justify. Then numbering is also, bullets are also there. Various types of bullets are present. Then this is the indent. That is indent. I will explain later on in detail what is indent. But at this time, just know what is this indent. Then this is sorting. You can sort data in ascending or descending order. And this is a paragraph. From here, you can put borders to the tables. And this is a style group, which is providing headings, types of headings, which is a very, very important for thesis writing to create the table of contents. Listen me clearly, clear cut. This style is very important to create the table of content. You generally call it as index. Generally, you call that table of content as index, which is at the beginning of your thesis. Most of the researchers are very getting trouble while creating the index. You can write your thesis very easily, but when you are at such a situation where you have to create your index of thesis, at that time you will get very you can feel it is very difficult. But if you go with a proper direction and use, it will become very easy. At that time, these styles are very useful. Okay. Then we see the editing, that is find, replace, select, etc. group. Then insert tab is also there, which is also having page, tables, illustration, links, header and footer, text, symbols, etc. From where? Page break, cover page, blank pages you can insert. Tables you can insert pictures, clip art, shapes, various types of shapes, charts you can insert into your document with the insert tab. Also, you can also insert links to other sources out of your documents. Hyperlinking, bookmark, cross references, etc. Then header section. Where is the header section? This is the header section. How I have generated? Open it. Just I have clicked here, double click. Just I have clicked 2 times here. Once like this. I have to double click here. Whatever I type here, that will be shown on every page at the heading. This is heading. Header. Okay. Header. Footer. Where will be the footer? It is at the bottom. This one. Footer. You can see here. This one. Hope you can see. Your devices are small one because you are listening on mobiles. Can you see all these components on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So these are the headers and footers about which we are going to discuss in later on. Then header, footer, page numbers, which are very important for thesis writing. Then text box, quick parts, word art. These are the some features which are provided in. Then these symbols are very important. Those for our mathematical expressions, and then some symbols for that purpose, which is also important. And one more technique is there to create, write the mathematical expression. We have math editors are also there. We can include in our MS Word. I will show the demonstration how to add that in Word later. So what is our purpose? Just to get introduced about the home screen of Word today. Today we are going to just familiar with Word screen, home Word screen. That's why I'm explaining this. Then we come across the page layout tab. Themes group, page setup group, margins, orientation, that is landscape or portrait, then size of pages, all these are the sizes. Column, many times when we are writing our research papers, we have to write in columns, is it? So that kind of papers can be documented with the column writing. Then breaks, line numbers, etc. Then watermark, page color, page borders can be set. Particularly at the first 2 to 3 pages are having border in our university's thesis. Indents, spacing are also important. I think 1.5 spacing is allowed in our research writing, research thesis writing. I will provide you its rules. Then how to write thesis, which font is to be used, what is the space in between 2 lines, then what is the size of main heading, what is the size of subheadings, then subheading, how to write subheadings, etc. या सर्व गोष्टींचे काही नियमावली आपल्या विद्यापीठाने आपल्याला दिलेली आहे. तर ती आपल्याला पाहून त्याला अनुसरूनच हे सगळं करावं. We have to follow all these rules while writing our thesis. And one more important thing, that is plagiarism. We have to minimize our plagiarism. For that purpose, Word also helping us. Arrange, then references, which one is also important for research writing and research paper writing. References, whatever we study, we have to reference it in our research paper and thesis. We have to maintain the references, which will helping us to reduce the plagiarism. Proper referencing is very important. Style, various styles are there. All these are styles. Most of the researchers are familiar with all these tricks and features, I hope. Is it? बऱ्याच जणांना हे माहिती असेल. रेफरन्सेस कसे द्यावेत, कुठल्या स्टाईलचे वापरावेत, बरोबर आहे का? ओके, ऐकताय ना सगळे? आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ह्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला
Yes,
माहित
sir.
आहेत सगळ्यांना?
हो सर.
हा, सर्वांना माहित असणार आहे. फक्त आपल्याला थोडीशी प्रॅक्टिस, ह्याचे आन्सर कसे लिहावेत आणि याच्या सोबतच जे आम्ही फेस केले प्रॉब्लेम ते तुम्हाला येऊ नयेत असं आम्हाला नेहमी वाटतं. थिसिस राईट करत असताना बऱ्याचशा अडचणी येतात, पर्टिक्युलरली इंडेक्स बनवणे, रेफरन्सिंग करणं, रेफरन्सेस कसे लिहायचे, नाही का? ह्या गोष्टी जर तुम्ही शिकल्या तर तुम्हाला हे टूल उपयुक्त ठरू शकतं. Then references, then mailings, then review tabs with their option groups. Then this is a ruler. This is a ruler, and this is a horizontal ruler, and this is a vertical ruler. You can set here from indent, tabs, etc. And this part, this white one, is the what is it called? Workspace. This is a workspace, work area, where we can type our document. So then this is a scroll bar. This is a vertical scroll bar. You must know the technical names. It is called a scroll bar. And this is a page where we can write, where we can type our document. Clear? Anything? Then at the bottom, you can see page numbers, how many words are there in this document. Hello. Hello. Please, can you mute your mic? Please. Hello.
सुनील राठोड सर म्यूट करा तुमचा माइक.
Please help us. Rathod sir. Thank you.
सर तुमचा माईक म्यूट झाला.
Can you listen?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Page numbers. Then how many words are there? Then at this size, some views. Print layout view, full screen reading view. So this is the home screen of Word. So Atul sir, Atul sir, hello. So we will take a one break of 5 to 6 minutes. We will continue. Hello. We'll take a one break of 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, we will continue here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
ओके सर.
चालते सर.
असंच आहे ना?
हॅलो. हा एक मिनिट, बहुतेक सरांचा काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आहे. हा दुबे सर. हेलो दुबे सर.
सर ब्रेक पर गए हैं सर.
ब्रेक पे गए क्या? ओके ओके.
यस सर.
राधिका. हेलो राधिका. हेलो. और सर का क्लास 5 बजे तक है कंटिन्यू. आरसिया.
ओके सर.
हाँ
यस
ओके
सर.
सर ओके.
ओके ओके. राधिका है क्या? राधिका मैम. राधिका.
सर आई थिंक सर राधिका ऑफ है.
नहीं वो होस्ट है ना उसको. ठीक है मैं कॉल करता हूँ, उसको बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सर आने के बाद सर को होस्ट किए तो ही वो पीपीटी शेयर कर सकते हैं ना. हाँ? हेलो. हेलो.
यस सर.
राधिका है क्या? हेलो.
हेलो. हेलो.
हाँ राधिका बोलते हैं.
बोला सर.
हाँ आपले दुबे सर जॉईन झाले की त्यांना होस्ट कर फक्त तू.
सर कसं करायचं ते?
ते पार्टिसिपंट्स आहेत ना खाली.
हा.
ते नंबर दिसत आहे. फोनवर टॅप केल्यानंतर खाली पार्टिसिपंट दिसत आहे. दिसलं?
एक मिनिट.
फोनवर टॅप कर.
हा.
खाली पार्टिसिपंट दिसत आहे 38.
हो हो.
हा त्याच्यावर क्लिक कर. लिस्ट येते सगळी.
हा.
लिस्ट आल्यानंतर सर्च मध्ये दुबे सर.
हा.
हा. नंतर त्यांच्या नाव आलं सरांचं.
हा.
की त्यांच्या नावावर असं ड्रॅग कर, दाबून ठेव, प्रेस कर. मग ऑप्शन्स येतात तिथं. मेक होस्ट
अच्छा.
नावाचं ऑप्शन आहे तिथं.
हो. हो आहे सर ऑप्शन. आले सर ऑप्शन.
Hello. Hello.
येतोय सर आवाज तुमचा.
Okay, okay. The host asked you to start your video. Okay, okay. I will start. Hope you can see my screen now. Hello. Uh, can I start? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
as in the last session, we have discussed the home screen of MS Word, particularly the screen which you have seen. It was of Microsoft Word 2010. Now we will discuss all the tabs which are present in MS Word. So if you look at here, the clipboard tab is there in Office 2007. And if you look at this top corner of this screen, there is a file tab. Okay. Home tab. Here is the clipboard. Home screen. Yes. This one. Once I click on home button, it will open the home ribbon along with its group. The first group is what? Clipboard. First group is what? Clipboard. What is this? You can see here, or you can see here in this diagram. This is a clipboard group which contains the options regarding paste, cut, copy, and format painter. Now I will explain each of these in detail. What is first? Here is the paste option. So before going to paste anything, we have to copy it. We have to copy it. So what is the process to copy? Just go at that location in the document, which text you want to copy, which part of the document you want to copy. That may be your figure, diagram, figure, image, text, anything. Suppose I want to copy this line. This is to be selected first. I am explaining the process of copy. Okay. Copy. So the matter, the document, the text which you want to copy is to be select first. How to select? Go to the beginning or end of that line, that portion of the text. Click here. This is a cursor which is blinking here. Okay. Then press the mouse left button and drag mouse button up to that portion which one you want to copy, and release the mouse left button. Then right click on that portion which is selected one, highlighted. Then you will see the options about copy. Click on copy and then paste where you want to paste. How to paste? Go to the home and click on paste. You can see it is copied here. It makes the copy of that text. Okay. I would like to undo it by using quick tool buttons. I undo it. But before paste, you have to text or matter to copy it. How to copy I have shown, and how to paste. Okay, there are some options, paste options. Keep source formatting, from where, what are the formats, text size, text color, text font, whatever it will be as it is copied with the keep source format. This one is what? Merge formatting. Means what? From the source where you have copied, whatever the format, and where you are copying the text and its format will be merged. And this one is what? Keep text only. Whatever the you have copied, it will contain images or other objects that will be removed, and it will get only the text only. It will paste text only. Okay. Many times what happen? Generally, this will help you when you are searching your domain about your related research related uh, information, knowledge on internet, and you find it, and you would like to copy all that for your study purpose, not to copy, to study for study purpose. So from where you can copy, which will contain tables, colorful tables, images, text, headlines, advertise, anything should be there. So you should copy all that and go to your location where you want to copy, and where you can click on this option. Sorry. This keep text only option. It will copy the text only. Clear? Anyone? Any question? There are various methods to copy and paste. You can select the text, click Ctrl+C, everyone knows, and where you want to paste, you can just Ctrl+V also. Ctrl+V option, Ctrl+C option. Okay, in this way you can copy. Then what is there in clipboard? Cut. What is cut and paste, and what is copy and paste? What is the difference between cut paste and copy paste? So cut paste will, look at here, just see what is the impact of cut. Home, and I have cut. What happened? The matter is removed from the source. Matter is removed from the source. Okay. Now I want to undo. Just press Ctrl Z. It will begin. So means it will cut, and now you can paste here. Home and paste like this. So what is the difference cut and paste? If we use cut, it will erase that data from the source, and it will put that data onto the source, up at the source. What is source and destination? Source means from where you are copying, and destination means where you are copying, pasting. Okay. So this is the clipboard. Then format painter is one of the options, which is also very helpful to quick format as per the previous formatting. What is formatting? It contains the text color, font size, font type, underline, italic, bold, whatever you have done the word processing, formatting, sorry, the impact or the effect of that will be occur in the paste. Okay, suppose I have made some changes here like this, and I want to apply the same change here to this document also, to this text. So just select and go to the home, click on paint. Yes, you can see that my icon is changed with a brush. Now go to the text where you want to apply that format, select and release. See the result. Means it will copy the formatting of source to the destination source text. Got it? Now I want to undo it. In this way, we can use clipboard. Got it? Anyone, any question? Okay. Any question? Hello? Hello? Now we come to the font tab. We come to the font tab. Where is the font tab? Sorry, group of the home tab. We have the font group. This one. Its image is here. Okay. What is the use of font? We can make or apply font type, font size, bold, italic, underline. Okay. Then strike through, then subscript, super subscript, increase the font size, decrease the font size, text effects, then change case, upper or lower cases, then text highlighting, highlight color, color, text color or font color, clear formatting. Such options are there in the font group. Mostly you must remember type, size, bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, etc. and color. That can be applied to our text. The font section of the ribbon provides a section to handle the basic text formatting items such as bold, underline, strike through, highlight, and font type can be changed. Very simple. Now look. How many fonts are there? There are number of fonts which can use in your text formatting. Here. Then font type. Suppose I select how to apply font type. Select the text. Particularly now I am in Calibri font type. I want to make it as like this. You can see the effect. Particularly, our university recommend to use Times New Roman font. Times New Roman font to write our thesis. Okay. And the next one is size. Okay, size. Suppose I select that text and I want to change it as a 12 or 26 like this. So you can see which one is good one. So particularly our university recommends font size up to 12 for regular writing. Regular text sati, we can use 12 as a default text size. Got it? Then you can make it as uppercase, increase the text size from here also. Okay. and it can also decrease. Then cases, uppercase or lowercase, you can use lowercase, C, the result, then uppercase in this way. Clear? Erase the formatting, remove the formatting, whatever you applied. Text color, subscript, super subscript are very also important. You can apply. So this is about what? Font group in home tab. This is a home tab which contains clipboard, font, paragraph. Now I come across paragraph. So suppose we have to check our para to see the effects. So how many options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 options are there in paragraph. So this is a num bullets which can apply, which are also very important to specify note or specialty or importance of text. Then this is the type of bullet in numbers. This is a symbolic bullet from where you can choose any number. Okay. Any type you can choose and apply to the text. Then this is a numbered bullet. And these are the options. This is a none, 1, 2, 3 with dot, 1, 2, 3 with brace, opening brace, Roman, then capital letters, upper capital letters, small capital letters, without braces, etc. These are the options. Then what is this? Multi-level listing. This is a multi-level listing. Means generally, suppose we want to write the first point. Suppose first. This is a first. Then I want to make it as a 1.1. Second. Then 1.1.1. Like this. For such effects, we can use this multi-level listing. And many times we occur at such situations in writing thesis. While writing the thesis, we have to use these numbering or listing. Okay, how to use? By default, it is creating the list, but you can also apply from here also. Got it? Just select that text, wherever the title or heading, it will be converted into the listing. Okay, then this is the indent, decrease indent, increase indent. What is indent? So suppose I want see the effect. What is happening? You can see also at the same time, you can see at the ruler what is the effect. This one. This is the boundary how much area is to be used to write. Particularly, we are using all that. Okay. Suppose I move it. What happened? What it? Left and right indent. Then sorting. As per requirement, you can sort your document in ascending or descending. And now this is the justification, alignments. Generally, your document is justified with left alignment, and in some cases you may need to use center alignment, and sometimes you have to use right alignment. Particularly, right alignment is used to type or in denote or show date, which is generally at the right side, right top corner or left side. At such situations, we can use alignment, that is right, and a shortcut is Control plus R. Left is common one, which is by default, but you have to specially apply this change to your document. If you do not apply, the document is not aligned. Document aligned rahat nahi. Suppose, particularly, I have some notes. I will show you. I will just take a para notes from here. I will show you how the alignments will work. My machine is somewhat. Okay. Sorry, due to some reasons, my document is not opening very quick. Yes. Yes. Okay. I will copy this and I so I have this matter. I want to make it as left, right, and justification. Just select that document. This is now left aligned. This is center aligned. This is right, and this is justified. Okay. So see the effect of justification. Suppose I make it as left aligned and just please see. So see at the right side, which is not looking proper. And this is the impact of indent tab, which is called a tab also. And now I select all this and click on justify. Just watch it. Very important. What happened? You can see here this line. Before justification, what is it? Look at here. The texts are not reaching to the boundary. After justification, it will be up to the proper end. Okay. Clear? And this is very important while writing your thesis. Your document should be in this form. Your thesis will be in this form. Got it? Remember this one. So from here we can select the colors, background color, theme color. Sorry, I was. You can apply background color, theme color to your document from here. And this is the bottom border. Or you can select and apply the border. What is the effect? Now decide where to use which border. We did not require to use these borders particularly. So, sometimes in very special cases you have to use this one. So this is about the paragraph. Okay. Paragraph group in home. Okay. Clear? Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you. I hope you understand. It's easy one. Now we come to styles. We come to style. Now what is style? Means just look at this paragraph. The first line of this paragraph is in some special size of word text. Sorry. Means that is its size is 12 and this one is of 8.4. Particularly, as I have told you, everything is in 12 and particularly the size is text times New Roman, type is times New Roman and size is 12. Now I want to make it as a heading. So title, heading 2, heading 1. Just look at the change. It's a normal one. It's again normal one. Heading 1, heading 2, then title, subtitle, and various are also there. So such headings and titles, particularly title is used for title. That can be used for chapter name, is it? Index, some separation of text that can be shown by title. And headings are applied in chapters. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to use title. So also you can change the color of titles. This is the by default color. Suppose I want to make, suppose this is a chapter 1. So I have to make it as a title. How is looking? So you can also make it as and change. Remove the underline. You can also format this. You can also make changes into this also as per your requirement. You can change the color. Okay, but our university recommends only black color, not to use colors. So then subtitle, you can apply subtitle. The heading us. If the text is heading, you can use heading. The first one is somewhat larger one. Then second heading. Heading 3. What is the difference? This one is larger one, then this is smaller than first, then this is smaller than second. Heading 4, heading, any number of headings can be applied. And such headings are very, very important to create the index or table of content. Okay. Then these are the styles along with heading side titles. You can use any number of heading or title. So from top to the bottom, once you write your thesis, or generally keep it in mind, very important for you, while writing your thesis, I am just not explaining regarding the exam, but also which will be helpful to write your thesis also. From that point of view, I am explaining. When you are writing your thesis, follow all these instructions. If you are writing the chapter name, use the title. When you are writing the heading, apply the headings in respective with, okay, respective headings are to be applied. Okay, which will help you in the last, because content, table of content is generated at the end of thesis writing, not in the beginning. Don't do it at the beginning. Also same about the references. Okay. Also same about references. I will explain when references is to be discussed. This is very, very important for you. Keep it in mind. You have to follow these instructions while writing the thesis. And many times in exam, you will be asked to write how to apply the headings and titles, or what is the use of styles in MS Word. What is the use of styles? How to use styles? You have to explain. How will you explain how to use styles? So you have to explain like this. To use the styles in MS Word, we have to go for home button. So click on home button, which will open its group. Go to the styles group, from where select the appropriate heading or title and click on it by selecting the text to which you have to apply that title or heading. Okay, so all these steps you have to explain there in this way. Got it? This is about the styles. Then change style. Changes the set of styles. Okay, so don't go for this one. When you become expert in this, you will automatically learn about this one also. Then the last option group, that is editing, where find, replace, select, etc. are there. So generally find and replace is important one for you, which will save your time to find and select. Particularly if you know the keywords by which you can search in your document, use that keywords in the find option. Or one more option is there to open the find, that is just press Ctrl F and type here. And press on it. It will show where is the software word, and it is highlighted with the special color along with the paragraph. Okay. Hello. Please mute your mics.
Dubey sir, your host, you just unmute him.
Mute all.
Okay.
So in this way, we can find keywords or our related words in your document, and this is helpful for you. Many times we may need to replace the words in, and with a one click you can replace throughout the word your document that word. Suppose here I want to replace for with some what keyword, what. So find and replace, just I click find and replace what I want to search for, and it is to be replaced with what, WH. What. Then you have some options. Replace, it will replace for this one only. Replace all, it will replace in all document. Okay. Suppose I click on replace all. Wherever the what for, it is replaced with the what keyword, what word. Okay. And it is also showing the two replacements are made here. It is showing the conclusion. Okay. In this way, you can change or replace. Okay. Anyone any question? Anyone any question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is the home tab and its groups we have discussed today. Now the next one is what? This file tab. File tab. This is very important for us. Those who are new one in this field or about the Microsoft Word, for those them it is important one. So we'll discuss this one also. The first tab present in MS Word home screen, it is a file. It gives us the functioning or features related to handle the document as a file. Here your document which is opened or where you are currently working is considered as file here, and it provides us some options related to that file, that is save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, exit. Such options are provided here. So you must, or all of you are must familiar with all these options. So by default or very easily we can say, we can see all these, the save option. So whatever the changes you have made in your current document can be saved, updated with the help of save option. It will save whatever the changes you have made, it will be saved. Now it is asking me to assign a new name to this document. Why? Because this is a new file, new document to whom I have not assigned any name. So it is asking to save. When I click on save button, it is asking to assign a name, unique name you have to assign here. Okay. So by default, it has taken the first character in the document, first text in the document as a file name. So you can change here. And you have to also select the location where you want to save. So I would like to tell you that a method you have to use while using your system. You must know the operating system commands or functions also. Okay, so generally save your all research related documents on except C drive. On means except C drive. Do not save it on C drive. Okay. If any disaster occur with your system, you will lose your all data. So generally or specially save all your data on the drives other than C. That can be D, E, F, etc. But don't use C. Okay, it's my recommendation. So you can choose or select the drive here, double click, then create a folder for your research documentation by right clicking in the area here and click on new option and then assign a proper name to that folder. We are just creating here folder and assign a proper name which will help you to find in your system. Otherwise you will get jumble if you are assigning any names. You can lost your data. Okay, if you don't remember your folder names. So proper naming is very important. So use proper names. Okay, suppose it is my first lecture, so I am assigning lecture or of COUR work. This is a folder. Then open it here and chapter 1 and then click on save option, which is here at the right side. In this way you can save. This is the process to or steps to save the document. Once you saved the document, now it will not ask you to save where to save. Just it will update it. Means file and save. Again, it is not asking. Suppose I make some changes here. I make change its color. Okay, and just save. Now this is about the save option. Clear? Anyone, any question? Okay, then save as. What is the difference between save and save as? I think most of the researchers are known about it. No, but I have to tell the difference. Save means if you are saving the document first time, it will ask you its location and name, where to save and with what name you want to save. Once it is saved, once it is stored in your disk, then it will not ask you where to save and with what name. It will just update that document. Whenever you click on save, it will just update, make the change, permanent changes into your document. Then save as means, suppose I click on save as, again it will ask you where to save. And it will create a copy of that document. If you assign the same name, what will happen? It will intimate you save as, where is it saved? In the same document folder, and then it will overwrite that document. If you make the change in its name, it will copy make its copy with the different names. Okay, are you getting what is the difference between save and save as? The difference is that with the help of save as, you can create another copy of original document. Okay, then you can open the existing documents in your system with the help of open. For example, I click on open, then I go to D:. I have a folder with daily requirements. I open it, and all the notes which I have prepared are stored here, saved here in different folders. So you can also easily understand what is this. This is the folder for BSc third year. This is the folder for C++ books, which contains all that books. Why it is not showing any book? Because all the files are of PDF, and this is a word, that is DOC. That's why it is not showing any file. The format is not matching here. That's why it is not showing. Open, then D:, daily requirement, then suppose MSc first, MSc second sem. So these are the documents. From where you can select and or click and open, or just double click. It will open that file. So open. What is close? Close. It will close that document. Yes, it is closed. Clear. Then recent. What is recent? Which documents just you have opened? The list of that documents is here, along with its places. You can choose. Many times you don't remember which file you have opened lastly. So you can see here and open that one. New, very easy. This is the very basic and important one. To create a new document, you have to click here, new. It asks you what kind of document you want to create. These are the formats or templates provided by Microsoft Word. Generally, we use blank document. And you can try yourself at home or with all these features or templates. So up till now, I have not gone through any template because we create our own templates and use it. Okay. Blockbuster, blog posts, recent templates, sample templates, my templates. These are the locations where you can segregate your documents. Then print, from where you can print option. This is the feature to print your document with the attached printer to your system. It will ask with various options. You have to select the printer from here. Which printers are there with your system? You can select that one. How many copies you want to make? Change it 2, 3, 4, 1, whatever it. Then you have to specify the range of documents, pages from where to where you want to print. Custom print, print on one side, collected 1, 2, 3, then 5, 2, 3. Such groups can be printed with skipping some pages. Then portrait printing, letter printing, you can assign. Maybe it will be asked, it can be asked in the exam how to print a document. So you have to remember all these steps. Go, file, print, select the printer, and finally, after specifying all the attributes, click on print option. If everything is okay, it will print your document. Okay. Then save and send. This is the new feature added to the Microsoft Word. The document which you have created will be saved and also asked to send. Suppose send as an email, save to web, save to SharePoint. These are the options to send. You can also see this feature in your phones also, mobile phones. WhatsApp is attached there, then Facebook is also there, email, text, messaging, etc. Like that, this one is also. So last one is exit. From where you can exit. Okay. If the document is not saved, then it will also, it asks to save that one. Okay. So today we have discussed about the home screen, then the tabs, ribbon, and groups. The home group, totally we have discussed clipboard, font, paragraph, style, editing, and then file. All these options we have seen. If anyone want to ask any question, please. Okay. So I think this is sufficient for today. In the next lecture, we will discuss with new points, that is insert, page layout, references, etc. Okay. I have allotted near about 7 to 8 lectures, and I will try to complete all this syllabus in the allotted lectures.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, if you have any questions, please ask. Participants? Hare Krishna, sir. Your mic is on. You are not audible, sir. You are not audible.
Is it clearly understood?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it clearly understood? There is from my side there is no question, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
okay.
So,
Okay,
can I
okay.
stop?
I'm not.
Yes, sir. Yes. So, on behalf of all the participants and Research Committee, Science College, Nanded, I am really thankful to Dr. Jaiprakash Dubey, sir, for giving informative talk on the relevant topic. So, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Another important announcement for the participants. I will upload. I have already uploaded assignment of yesterday's, but only 6% they are submitted the assignment. So if you have any queries, just for the uploading and all these parameters, you ask here. Yes, काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का कोणाला असाइनमेंट अपलोड करण्यासाठी?
Actually आम्ही बघितलं, मी तर बघितलं नाही सर, आज अपलोड करतो.
ओके ओके ओके.
Sir,
Sir.
Those
Sir,
students who are from
assignment,
abroad, can they understand?
ओके ओके
Sir,
ओके. हा.
हॅलो सर.
हा
सर असाइनमेंट रोजच्या रोज अपलोड करायची का?
हा, आज शेवट म्हणजे कालच्या असाइनमेंटचा आज शेवटचा दिवस आहे. रात्री 12 पर्यंत तुम्ही अपलोड करू शकता.
सर हे असाइनमेंट आणखी आपल्याला ऑफलाईन जमा करायचे का सर?
नाही ऑफलाईन काहीच जमा करायचं नाही, डायरेक्ट ऑनलाईनच तुम्हाला सबमिट करायचं आहे.
ओके सर.
अपलोड करायची फाईल.
हा ओके,
आणि
थँक्यू.
ती फाईलची लेंथ म्हणजे 1 MB च्या कमी ठेवली होती, मी आता ती वाढवलेली आहे.
हा सर, त्याच्यामुळे काय झालं होतं की प्रॉब्लेम्स आले सर अपलोड करायला, मग ते कॉम्प्रेस.
ठीक आहे, आता मी ते चेंज केलंय मॅडम,
जास्त येतं.
त्यामुळे आता तुम्ही अपलोड करू शकता.
नाही अपलोड केली आहे, कॉम्प्रेस करून अपलोड केली आहे मी कालच.
ओके ओके, पण कमीच ठेवा कारण आपला स्पेस विनाकारण वाढेल.
हो हो.
सर, मराठी सर.
हा सर, दुवे सर.
आउट ऑफ कंट्रीच्या लोकांना विचारा काय कसं वाटतं, म्हणजे त्यांना काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
मोहम्मद तालेब सर. मोहम्मद तालेब सर, have you submitted the assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem then.
Are you comfort sir here?
You are understanding the lectures all?
Yes, sir. All interesting. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Can I exit now?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay, thank you, sir.
उद्या तर सुट्टी आहे आपल्या सर्वांना. यम कोण आहे? यम. हॅलो
सर, कालचे असाइनमेंट आज सबमिट करायचं म्हणतो.
दुवे सर, एक मिनिट. हा, आज सबमिट करा. दुवे सर. एकच मिनिट थांबा, कारण तुम्ही होस्ट आहात, तुम्हाला ते मीटिंग एंड करायचे.
ओके करतो.
एकच मिनिट फक्त. हा मॅडम, आज संध्याकाळी रात्री 12 पर्यंत ते अपलोड करू शकता तुम्ही, काही प्रॉब्लेम. कालची. आणि आज आपण देणार आहे असाइनमेंट तुम्हाला. दुवे सर, मला एखादी असाइनमेंट यांच्यासाठी मला पाठवा.
देतो सर. हो सर.
ठीक आहे, आणखी काही क्युरीज असतील तर विचारा. 2 मिनिट. जर काही नसेल तर मग आपण एक्झिट होऊ. परवा सकाळी म्हणजे 23 तारखेला सकाळचं 11चं लेक्चर गवई सर घेणार आहेत, प्रिन्सिपल सायन्स कॉलेज नांदेड. त्यामुळे सगळ्यांनी वेळेवर हजर राहायचंय. उद्या टुमॉरो इज हॉलिडे. ऑन 23rd March the first lecture will deliver by Dr. D.U. Gawai sir, Principal Science College Nanded. So be ready for that lecture on time. Okay.
Okay.
So I request